Okay guys, this is 2003 Nissan X-Trail T30. So I'm showing today the timing mark for the X-Trail. You can see in here the top timing mark in here, this line to this yellow mark, and the exhaust side you can see this mark, this notch to the yellow line. Okay, and going to down, you can see at the bottom, you can see in here it's a little dot in here to the orange mark in here. Okay, then so this is the balancer. You can see in the balancer in here notch, little notch, this mark, you can see in here little tiny mark in here. This one need to line to here, the balancer. That means this yellow mark to here, and the top one, this dot to line this orange mark. That's the timing, the X-Trail. Don't miss out this balancer mark. Okay, this one need to line properly, and this one. The top mark